Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet phone cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet phone cover is a handmade protective sleeve or case created using crochet techniques and yarn. It is both functional and decorative, making your phone look stylish while keeping it safe from scratches, dust, and minor bumps. The features of a crochet phone covers: handmade design created using hooks and yarn, often with beautiful patterns. Soft protection provides a cushioned layer around your phone. Customizable size, you can make it fit any phone model perfectly. Endless styles, from simple single color covers to textured, floral, boho, or vintage inspired designs. Eco-friendly, usually made from cotton or acrylic yarns that are reusable and long-lasting. Why people love crochet phone covers? They add a personal touch to your device, perfect for gift giving. Can match your style like vintage, boho, cute, or modern. Great for beginners wanting a small, easy crochet project. Here are some easy and useful tips for making or choosing a crochet phone cover. First, choose the right yarn. Use cotton yarn for a clean, sturdy, and durable finish. Use acrylic yarn if you want soft and colorful options. Avoid very stretchy yarns, they may loosen over time. Pick the crochet hook size. Use a hook that gives you a tight stitch so the cover holds its shape. Usually 2.5mm to 3.5mm hooks works well depending on your yarn. Measure your phone first. Measure the height, width, and thickness of your phone. Make your crochet slightly snug because yarn stretches a little. Choose a simple stitch for beginners. Single crochet gives a tight and strong texture. Half double crochet is also easy and works out faster. Avoid big holes as they won't protect the phone properly. Make a bottom close designs. Start with a small chain, the width of your phone, and work in the round. This creates a seamless pouch style cover. Add a button or a strap. Add a button flap to keep your phone from slipping out. You can also crochet a small loop or drawstring. Decorate with cute add-ons, flowers, hearts, lace borders, beads, vintage style ink. This make your cover unique and stylish. Reinforce the edge. Add on round to slip stitches at the top for a neat, strong finish. Line it optional. Use a thin fabric lining to make it extra strong and long-lasting. Match it to your style. Vintage cotton look, pastel cotton, lace, and small floral appliques. boho style is bright colors, tassels, or granny scarves. Simple, minimal, his own solid color with a clean edge. Use tight tension, keep your stitches slightly tight so the cover doesn't stretch too much. This protects the fold better and gives a neat, clean look. Create a double thick base. Add an extra 2 or 3 rounds at the bottom to make it stronger and cushiony. Perfect for protecting the phone during small jobs. Try pictured stitches to make the cover stylish and eye-catching. You can try puff stitch, bubble stitch, shell stitch, moss stitch. These add crepe, fitting, and unique patterns. Add a wrist strap. Crochet a small strap on the side so you can carry your phone easily. Great for outdoor use, shopping, or travel. Add a button loop. Crochet a small chain and attach it as a loop to close the phone pouch neatly. Choose wooden, shell, or pearl buttons for a more modern stylish touch. Add lace border for a soft vintage inspired look. Crochet a lace trim at the opening. Looks beautiful in white, cream, or pastel yarns. Make it washable. Use yarn that can be machine washed to keep the cover clean and fresh. Cotton is best for durability and washing. Try a granny scarf on cover. Make 2 small granny scarves, join them, and add a border. This gives a boho or vintage cottage feeling. Add a soft inner padding. You can stitch a thin layer of felt inside the cover. It adds extra protection and helps maintain the shape of the pouch. I think today's ideas will help you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!